So one of the questions we get very often is how to go ahead and connect my phone to my new vehicle. We're gonna go right here, click on phone. We're gonna go to add device. Now you wanna make sure you got Bluetooth enabled on your phone. So then we're gonna go down here and search for forward edge under other devices. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Verify the pin is correct, press pair on your phone, and then yes on the screen right there. Now to make sure you get the most benefits out of syncing your phone, allow it to access your contacts. Now the screen is going to go ahead and give us a toast here for Apple CarPlay, since the Edge does have wireless capability. We're going to go ahead and press enable. Now on your phone, you want to make sure to enable Apple CarPlay if it does give you a little window up here. And then to make sure you can get access to everything, you need to have Siri enabled if you have an Apple device. This is going to be your main screen right here. This is going to have your Apple Maps, some quick destinations, any events you've got set up, and then what's currently playing. Now down here on the bottom, this is going to be our button for both our home screen and then our app drawer. So if we click on this, that's going to show you all of the apps that are currently compatible with the phone and the screen right here. So you can see we've got Spotify, Panera Bread, Skype, of course our messages, our phone calls, and even our Apple Maps. So if I click on Maps right here, I can go out of here and then search through the areas just like normal. Additionally, I can use any hands-free features. Now that your phone's connected, every single time you get back into the vehicle, provided you get your phone on you and Bluetooth is on, it's gonna go ahead and automatically connect to Apple CarPlay and give you all your connected features. For more tips and tricks, like and follow, and if you have any particular features you'd like us to go over, drop a comment below.